Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, how to upload a project on Behance. To get started, sign in to your Behance account so you can access all the upload features. Once you're logged in, head to the top of the home page and click on the Share Your Work button, then select Project to begin creating a new one. Now it's time to add your content. On the right side, you'll find the Add Content panel, where you can upload images, videos, text, or embeds, and you can also import work directly from Lightroom or Creative Cloud. As you add content, you can easily rearrange everything by hovering over an item, clicking the Edit icon, selecting Reorder, and dragging it into the correct position. For best results, upload images in JPEG or PNG format, keep file sizes optimized, convert them to RGB, and make sure they stay within the size limits. When it comes to videos, you can upload them directly or embed them from YouTube or Vimeo for a clean, full-width look. After your content is in place, move on to the project settings, where you'll choose a cover image, add a title, select a creative field, and include relevant tags. Before publishing, preview your project to make sure everything looks perfect. Then, click Publish to make your project live. And that's it. That's how you upload a project on Behance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you next time.